India versus Bangladesh second ODI series 2022. India versus Bangladesh both final playing 11. India versus Bangladesh match details. Date 7 December 2022. Time 12:30 Indian Standard Time. Venue Sri Bangla National Stadium, Dhaka. India versus Bangladesh. Team India openers list. Number 1 Shubman Gill, right-handed batsman. Number 2 Ishan Kishan, left-handed batsman. Team Bangladesh openers list. Number 1 Najmul Hussain, left-handed batsman. Number 2 Soumya Sarkar, left-handed batsman. Team India middle order. Number 3 Shreyas Iyer, right-handed batsman. Number 4 Suryakumar Yadav, right-handed batsman. Number 5 Rishabh Pant, wicket-keeper, left-handed batsman. Number 6 Hardik Pandya, captain, all-rounder. Number 7 Akshar Patel, all-rounder. Team Bangladesh middle order. Number 3 Liton Das, right-handed batsman. Number 4 Shakibul Hussain, captain, all-rounder. Number 5 Afif Hussain, left-handed batsman. Number 6 Mehdi Hussain, all-rounder. Number 7 Nurul Hassan, wicket-keeper, right-handed batsman. Team India bowlers. Number 8 Bhuvneshwar Kumar, fast bowler. Number 9 Ashradeep Singh, fast bowler. Number 10 Mohammad Shami, fast bowler. Number 11 Yuzvendra Chahal, spin bowler. Team Bangladesh bowlers. Number 8 Masdaq Hussain, all-rounder. Number 9 Taskin Ahmad, fast bowler. Number 10 Mustafiz Rahman, fast bowler. Number 11 Hassan Mohammad, fast bowler.